Mama, I'm so proud sa kung paano kakalakas, lalo na nung nagkasakit ka pero hindi ka sumuko.
I'm Lux.
Amos po.
Charm.
Justine?
So for Mother's Day, we will be asking you a set of questions lang. So for the first question, kailan mo huling kinausap or tinawagan si mama mo?
I think a month ago pa.
Just now. My mom's right there.
Kahapon.
The last time I talked to my mother was earlier this morning. Humingi ako ng pamasahe.
Okay, and be honest, kahit andyan si mami, masarap ba magluto si mama mo? And if so, ano yung favorite mong niluluto niya?
My mom kasi is from Bicol. Masarap siya magluto ng laing at Bicol Express.
Siyempre.
Sinigang. Beef sinigang.
Hindi siya actually nagluluto.
So for the last question, you can pick up the phone. Meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa mama mo?
Ano na lang, wait for me na lang kasi ang dami kong pangako sa kanina. Parang bibilang ko siya ng bahay and stuff or like i-return ko yung mga paghihirap niya. So parang antayin niya na lang ako na maging successful.
Thank you for all the sacrifices na ginawa niya, na na-realize ko growing up.
No matter what happens, I love you so much. Kasi even if I grow up or something, I'll still take care of you.
Mama, I'm so proud sa kung paano kakalakas, lalo na nung nagkasakit ka pero hindi ka sumuko.
Super duper appreciated namin na magkakapatid, and because of that, mas nabibuild yung love ko rin for my parents and especially for my mom. Yun lang po.
I wanna greet you in advance. Happy Mother's Day.
So thank you very much. And as thanks, we would like to give you a rose and a voucher for Flower Store PH that you can use on Mother's Day. So you can give this to your mom or keep it for yourself.